Hey guys, it's me Puffleton, and today I officially chose an image with the help of a few of my other viewers, like Winter Child, a new kitten, and then I decided it as well because we had one vote for 2, one vote for 4, and one vote for 6, and then we had 2 votes for 3, and I like 3, but I just wanted you guys to help pick. But so my new user image is 3, like if you agree with that, and if not, yeah. Yeah, but sorry for that. But if this is your first video of mine, subscribe,
Subscribble.
Yep, subscribble. Yes. Yeah, but I had to be at Lauren's house another day because my parents forgot to pick me up from Lauren's house yesterday because I had to work. Yeah.
But yeah.
We're gonna be bored.
Because there's nothing to do.
Yeah, I know. We want to go to the beach again, but
For the 3rd day in a row.
yeah, but nobody's there to take us.
No. For the 3rd day in a row.
Yeah, I asked my mom if she could take us yesterday or tomorrow. So, yeah.
Tomorrow, yesterday. Look,
It's tomorrow. It's tomorrow.
Can I tell you something really funny to think about?
Nope.
If you think about it, tomorrow will never come. Because by the time it's tomorrow, it's today.
Yeah, I know. People have been saying that, and that confuses me.
No, if you have to, is it good because I explained it? Tomorrow will never come.
Yes.
But it's really weird to think about.
Yeah, we're just playing LPS right now.
Yeah.
So bored. Yeah, I don't know when my mom and dad are coming. Yeah, but sorry, I'm just giving Lauren a secret signal to say something.
She said poo emoji.
I like the poo emoji. Has like show them the poo.
Okay.
Look a picture on Google of the poo emoji.
I'm gonna Google the poo emoji.
Poo emoji.
Even though I was listening
Yeah, so
to Wonderland,
the
which I love.
the
poo emoji. She was saying this.
yeah, but the winning image is the 3rd one. So yeah, I was gonna do this video more dramatically, but wait, let's show that one.